Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest foldable phone from Samsung, the Galaxy Z Flip 6. This phone has been getting a lot of buzz, but is it worth the hype? Let's unpack it and see if the Z Flip 6 flips the script on foldables. Hit that subscribe button for more fire tech reviews. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 keeps the classic clamshell design that we loved about the Z Flip 5, but with some improvements under the hood. They've packed it with a faster processor, a larger battery, and an improved camera system. The hinge that folds the phone has also been redesigned to be more durable, so you can flip with confidence. Sounds pretty good so far, right? Unfold the Z Flip 6 and you're greeted by a stunning 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display. We loved the vibrant colors and sharp resolution, making it perfect for watching videos, gaming, or just browsing the web. They say everything looks amazing on this display, and with a 120Hz refresh rate, scrolling feels buttery smooth. The camera system has gotten a bump in specs too. The Z Flip 6 boasts a dual camera system on the back with a 50-megapixel wide-angle lens and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. They took some great photos with this setup, capturing rich colors and good dynamic range. Night mode has also been improved to tackle low-light situations. And guess what? You can still use the cover screen as a viewfinder for selfies, a fun and convenient feature from the previous Z Flip models. The front-facing camera has also been upgraded to a 10-megapixel sensor, so you can take sharp and detailed selfies. The battery life is an area that gets mixed reviews. The Z Flip 6 has a larger 4000 mAh battery compared to the previous model, and it should get you through a full day of moderate use. However, though we found that some competing foldable phones offer even longer battery life. Here's where things get a little bit sticky. Through our review we found out that the Z Flip 6 comes with a hefty price tag. While the upgrades are welcome, they might not be substantial enough to justify the higher cost, especially when you consider some competitors offer features like larger cover screens and longer battery life. The verdict? The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is a good foldable phone, but it's not a slam dunk. Sure, it has a gorgeous display, a powerful processor, and an improved camera system. But the battery life isn't the best, and the price tag is a bit steep. We believe that if you're really interested in the Z Flip 6, you might want to wait for a sale before pulling the trigger. But hey, that's just one opinion. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Galaxy Z Flip 6. Would you be willing to pay a premium for a foldable phone? What features are most important to you? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.